All right, there's the date and time. We are going into the Rhombus building in Elmsford, New York, where we have an elevator to ride. Ooh, it's a Midland. Let's listen to the motor. Takes longer to level than it does to travel. See, this is like a little strip mall. There's the celebrity down there. Now we're going to go back down to the ground. The door close button works. Here's your fixtures. Overall, it's a nice elevator. And there it goes. And that'll be it. Hope you enjoyed it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.